You want to record a video, but your room is a mess. The lighting is terrible, and you don't even feel like turning on a camera. And somehow, you still end up with a perfect, clean, professional talking head video of yourself. Any outfit, any environment, natural movement, perfect lip sync, that's exactly what we're building today. Using just one image of yourself and a voice generated by AI, we're going to create a fully realistic talking avatar using Nano Banana Pro, ComfyUI Cloud, and LTX 2.3, also known as InfiniteTalk. And the best part, it's completely free. First, we create the avatar image that will become your AI presenter. We use Nano Banana Pro inside Hickfield. Upload one image of yourself, just a single selfie is enough. Now set the format to 16:9 landscape. This is important because it matches YouTube video style. Then paste your prompt. Describe your style, your lighting, your environment, and in seconds you get a hyper-realistic avatar that looks like it came from a professional studio. This is your digital actor. Now we move to ComfyUI Cloud. No installs, no setup, everything runs online. Go to the template search bar and type InfiniteTalk or LTX 2.3 or audio-driven portrait animation. Pick a workflow that already includes image input, audio input, and video generation. Now upload your avatar image. Make sure it is 16:9, centered and clean. This is the face that will come alive. Now we create the voice. Instead of recording yourself, we use ComfyUI. Type your script. For example, today I'm going to show you how to build AI talking avatars in ComfyUI Cloud. Generate the audio, download it, then upload it into ComfyUI. Now we configure the system, select InfiniteTalk or LTX 2.3, choose Q8 for speed or FP8 for higher quality. Make sure your video model matches the same version, 480p for speed, 720p for quality. It runs at 25 frames per second. So 20 seconds of audio equals 500 frames. Keep audio strength at 1.0 for natural movement. Use a simple prompt like this, a person speaking naturally to the camera with calm, realistic expressions. And this is where it gets insane. Your avatar starts speaking your AI-generated voice. Lip sync locks in perfectly. Facial expressions come alive. Head movement feels natural, and the full video renders in minutes. No camera, no mic, no studio. And here's the wild part. You just built a system that can generate unlimited talking videos from a single image and a script. One image, one voice, infinite content.